Want to capture more leads and grow your list? Let's build a lead magnet funnel inside Salesforce that works 24/7. Step 1. Create your campaign. Start by creating a new campaign in Salesforce. Label it for your lead magnet, whether it's an ebook, free guide, or webinar. Next, use Salesforce Experience Cloud or a connected builder to design a landing page. Keep it simple. A headline, your free offer, and an opt-in form that connects to Salesforce leads. Set up an automation in Salesforce Flow Pardot. As soon as someone opts in, they are added as a lead and instantly receive your lead magnet via email. Don't stop there. Build an automated email sequence to nurture those leads. Give them tips, value, and gradually introduce your product or service. And that's it, a lead magnet funnel in Salesforce. Set it up once and let Salesforce turn cold traffic into warm, ready to buy leads. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.